Hello folks, How to Bloke back again. As a nice drawing in, I thought I'd do a video on a torch project. Some of you might have had these stuck away somewhere in a drawer and you don't use them anymore. This is an old Maglite. I must be 35 years old, I suppose. It's still in use, and the reason I still use it is because I've upgraded it. I mean, in its time, it was it was the torch to have, and I'm pleased I got one. It was given to me as a present. But the point of this video is not to promote this brand or any other brand. It's just to show you how much better the light is after I converted it to LED. Now the tungsten lamp in here, a little torch bulb thing, is kept in here. And this is a 4-cell torch, and I'll show you where it's kept. If you've got one of these, then you'll be interested. Or you've got another torch that you really like, perhaps an old army surplus torch or something. It's equally as relevant. Now, in here is the old tungsten filament bulb that you can see. Can you see that, camera? There it is there. It's just an ordinary regular torch bulb, obviously for the same wattage as 4 times 1.5 volts, which is the voltage of each battery there, the 4 volts. But I've kept that. I haven't chucked it because it might be useful, you know. If the LED one blows, I've got this tungsten one back to use, just in case. Right, put that to one side for a moment. Now in here you can see the yellow LED thing. We're gonna hoof that out. I'll show you how to get at that. If you want to try this yourself, unscrew the lens cover here like that, and that's the plastic bit that goes in there. Take this little reflector thing out, and in there you can see it there. Can you see that? Now that cap unscrews. It's like a little holder, and you have to unscrew it, like a spring-loaded holder, and that comes out. You have to persevere with it because it's a very fine, long screw thread. So that comes out. Right, nearly there. Okay, here we go. So that's what you can see in there. Look. Now here is the bulb, the LED bulb. And it comes out like this. Comes out like that. So I wouldn't get the other tungsten bulb out, but take it from me, you know, the dimensions are the same diameter, the cap is the same, it looks the same if you hold them up together. The only difference is the top bit, you know. So if you go shopping for one of these, they're not expensive at all. That's what you want to do. You want to match up rather than the make and model compatibility. Really, I mean, you can, I suppose, but I just used the actual size. I looked at both of them and measured them, and then looked at the photos and thought, right, this is going to fit. So, and it did. So they're not easy. They're not difficult to get hold of at all. Right. So I'm going to put this back in now. Now you've seen. So this one goes in there like that, and that goes in there. Screws in there. It's not push fit. It's a screw fit. So you screw it up against that thing there. Right, so that's in there. So it's not tight, but I've nipped it up, you know, so it doesn't come loose. Then we're going to put the reflector back. If I don't throw it on the floor. Right, that's the reflector in there like that. Then put the lens cap on, and then we're going to do that. So that's that bit. I mean, you can still focus it, you know, with the if you guys know these particular torches, you can focus it easily. Still, all that focusing thing still works okay. Now we've got to put the 4 batteries back in there. 2, 3, 4. And now we've got to wrestle with this. I'll just take it off camera for a moment whilst I put this in. So we're going to put this in. We're going to put this in like that, and we're going to tighten it up, and I'll show you how bright it is. Right, see if we can do this in one go. That spring is really tough, you know. Well, it takes a bit of a knack to get it on there. Okay, that spring's in there. Now, can you see that, ladies and gentlemen? I can't compare it, I haven't got another torch to compare it to, but that is seriously bright. I mean, it's still daylight outside. That's seriously bright. Now, if you've got an old torch, doesn't have to be a mag light or anything, lying about, and you think, well, that used to be my favourite torch, you know, for whatever reason. It was given to you as a present or something, or Christmas or whatever, birthday. And you think, well, it's a shame to have it lying in a drawer doing nothing, because it was a handy thing to have. Then you've got one of these LED ones, and it's much more brighter. Well, you can resurrect the functionality of this. It's still the same. I haven't touched anything else. It's just a different bulb. And if that's helped you at all, and then that's it from me. Thanks for watching.